All right, good morning. Good morning. Let's do a quick audio check here. Tame Tiger, good morning. Predator, good morning. You have a great weekend too, man. Happy Thanksgiving. To you as well. To you as well, good sir. Pushing back up here. What's up, Kazio, Kofer, John? Tapping into the VWAP. Yeah, D, I see that. Good morning, Mr. O. Kind of pounding into the VWAP here on this pushback up. Good morning, baby boss. It's kind of pushed up above the VWAP there, now pulling back. I'm going to take this, guys, if this closes below. We do have equal lows down here. 12 points. I'm going to try it. What up, AS? If we get the close below this gap, I'll probably give it a try. We'll see. But I don't know. We'll see. If we pop the VWAP, maybe we take the long. We do kind of got some wicks up there, but we'll see. Oh, good morning, Donovan. It's Wednesday, hump day. Yeah, they're still paying. Shiny Paladin, they are still paying for sure. Matty Matt in the house. You got clapped? What happened, Matty Matt? Amelia, good morning. Do we pop the VWAP? I don't know. Do we pop the VWAP? Let me move my chart up a little bit. Blue 16 of 20 accounts revenge traded past 16 evals. Ah, that sucks, Matty Matt. That sucks. We've all been there. We've all done it, though. Nice job passing 16 evals afterwards, though. Nice job. Nice job. I do think if we go through the VWAP, Mister, that we could pop here a little bit, Mister Methodicac. What is that? Good morning, Yoma. Oh, better day today. 2 red days this week. Yeah, Trev. Hope. Let's go. You think we'll get denied? I know for sure one trade lost 756. 756 is so close, Matt, though. You don't have to request to wipe that day out, by the way. You can just trade another 8 days. As long as you're below the consistency, they're only looking at the most recent 8 days traded, from what I understand. So you don't necessarily have to request get denied and then trade 8 more days. You could just trade 8 more days. So, what are you trying to get done over there, Yoma? With your custom code? Your custom Yoma? Good morning, Lassie. Never a huge winner. It takes time for me to pass evals. Yeah, Trev. I mean, that's, I full send my evals typically at open. So, Yoma, they extended the sale for a day and a half, for 2 days. So that would put it, that means that this sale will end Thursday at midnight. Let's see. Maybe they'll come out with something. I don't know. So, oh, if it doesn't slow you down, Matt, then there's no reason not to, right? Yeah, they've had a computer, Yoma, I think, or something similar. What up, Room Beats? Yeah, we have news. Yeah, I do use a copier typically, but yeah, we have news. We have 9:45 news. Chicago PMI. We have 10 a.m. news, pending home sales. We have 10:30 oil news. We have 11:30. I'm sorry, 1 o'clock 7-year note auction. 11:30 4 and 8 week bill. Those probably don't do anything, but so we'll see. Yeah, they've been offered. Yeah, exactly. Typically, Trev, I just full send at open. Like, I'll mark it in. I hedge, so I'll mark it in 10 seconds before open, long and short, just depending upon half long, half short. Trader Monk in the house. Need to start planning. Yeah, can be able to better set up your own. Yeah, probably. Room. I don't. I mean, I feel like it's been okay. You can pick your spots, I will take this short if we close below, guys. I will. What up? It's Trading Star. Close below this box. Doing good, Trading Star. I don't like that close. Is it an A setup? It's probably A, but not A plus. Half long, half short on a single account, or you mean full port? Yeah, John G, that's what I do. Full port long, full port short. 10 seconds before open. You got a decent chance of getting at least half, at least one side passed. So we'll see. That's not really momentum through there that we were kind of thinking we might see. So, fifth red candle. What are you? Are you on 30-second chart? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was just trying to see which chart you were on. You're always on the 30-second. I got you. Nah, there's no close below room. I mean, there's a little bit of a lack of momentum here, to be honest. Yeah, Trev, me too. I got the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 30-second, the 5 minute, the ES, the 15 minute. They're all open. Yeah, the market is a little slow this morning, but today's kind of to be expected. But we never ran the Asia high, guys. We still got the Asia high sitting up there. I don't even know if I marked it out. Did I? Still in yesterday's range as well. That's initial balance low, initial balance high. We're still in that range, which is not shocking. All right, Mancini says for today. Good morning, Andy. Could be Amelia. Very well could be. We might be on evals today. We'll see. I'm not quite sure. Mancini says the grind up continues in the ES. Plan today, 6026 is support. It's already been tested once. If 6026 fails, we dip to 17 and 6002. As long as 26 holds, we see 38, which we've already tapped, 44, and then we break out to 73 above. So basically 26 supports. That's kind of your bull bear line there. Excuse me. As long as we're above it, we move up. If we move below it, we move down. Good morning, Robert. I need to grab a water. Let me run into the kitchen right quick and get a water. All right, we're back. Tech T, how's it going? Francis, good morning. So let's see what happens. It's kind of chopping VWAP. Are we going to get a VWAP open? Looking that way. VWAP chop on the VWAP open. VWAP chop. Yeah, I have not decided what I'm going to do today as far as like, I'm going to watch the price action here and let's see what happens. Let's go, Francis. You the man. So very well could just be an eval only type day. I don't know. We'll see. I don't really know. I mean, we could run. Let's push right now. I don't know yet, Room. We're going to see what the price action gives us, what it offers us. And the reason is just because, you know, if it's slow or if the setups, if it's not giving us setups, the VWAP open's not ideal. So we'll just see. If it's not a day where you're going to be successful, there's no point in pressing the button on a funded account. Oh yeah, by the way, guys. By the way, I didn't tell you guys this. We did. So yesterday we did, in fact, do I have time to do this? Oh, look at this. This is a pretty good candle here. VWAP rejection. Oh, man. Look at this. All right, I like this. Oof. I'm in. Come on. We're so close to open here. I want this pushed down into my break-even point before open happens. Come on. Push it down. I'm going to break even now. What in the world? All right, come on. Push it down. Come on, push it down. Push it down. Push it down. This is PA room. Come on. Right through there. 20 seconds here. Do I just take my $100? Locking in $100. All right, I'm out. I'm out. Oh, boom. That would have been the target. Or that's not the target. Target would have been a little lower. Target would have been... Yep, that would have been the target. Oh, well. That's all right. I'm okay with that. We'll take it. Tell me like she cheated on you. Yeah, I should have just left Stone Cold break even. I just didn't want to, like, not get anything out of that, right? Didn't want to not get anything, so I'm happy. You know, whatever, $100. We'll take it. And that was on every one of my accounts too, but it's fine. $100. Nothing crazy. Would have been a full $300 winner. Look at this thing just rip lower, guys. Oh my God, that setup was nice. I should have just went break even and just left it. Target or nothing. I just thought it might rip it open. You never know, right? Your first name is Stu. Your last name is Pid. You're Turkish. Trev. What up, Fast Eddie? Yeah, I'm a little salty about that trade, but it's all right. You got off early as well. Let's go. Yeah, but Bertram, that's like, you know, if I don't move the stop to break even there, maybe I get slipped for 3 or 4 points with the volatility. So it's one of those things. In hindsight, it always looks easy. In hindsight, it looks easy. Let's see here. But anyways, I was telling you guys when I got interrupted by that death candle. That candle that made me pay attention. Yeah, you did say trail. I mean, I trailed, but too close. But we did finish the step 1 of the My Funded Futures yesterday. The phase 1. So we did get paid yesterday from My Funded Futures, $750. So that does put our payout total this month to $1,250. Yes, I know that's not a lot of money, but hey, it's better than nothing. I'm going to gather that it's better than nothing. Getting paid, that's right. I don't know. Why did this... Hold on, I'm trying to download this so I can update it. Oh, okay, there it is. So we got to update the banner now. Nice little slap sell down there at open, all the way down. ES ripping back up here. ES is just ripping all the way back up, almost back to the highs. Do we get a 50% candle? Maybe. Yeah, I'll take the $100. I mean, it's better than nothing, so... Wow, look at the ES. Man, the ES is just ripping higher here. I think we get a nice push back up. but we'll see. YM's a rocket ship as well. See, YM and ES just ripping, and Nasdaq hanging out at the lows. This is what it did yesterday. This is exactly what it did yesterday. ES is just the stronger pair. He'll buy you $50 of groceries. Yeah, well, I mean, it was $100 on what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 accounts. Nothing crazy. Did we take a trade on our Tick account too? So $400. Still in drawdown on that account, but yeah, it is. Bertram, you are absolutely right. When they're uncorrelated, it makes it harder to pick spots. But you should probably, if you're looking for longs, you should trade the stronger pair, right? So if you're looking for longs, you should probably trade ES. If you're looking for shorts, maybe stick to the NAS. So we'll look for another spot. So yeah, the My Funded Futures, we got, this is the new static account. So this is step 2 in the static account. So we made $100 on this first trade. So this is step 2 in this one. So you got to get to 1,500 in profit again, and then they give you another 750. So we made it to step 2. And then we have this account. We got some slippage on. Whatever. You see, I didn't take the payout on that account. We qualify for a payout here. We could take the entire $800 and put us at $2,000 for the month. But you guys suggested us to just try to build it. So that's what we're going to try to do. You're knocking the $100. I'm knocking the groceries. Yeah. You've had to sell one child to feed the other two. Frank, I don't know, man. Like, it's tough spot here. I mean, realistically, like, longs do probably make sense, but I don't know. We could just sell. I mean, I don't know. It's tough. It's just going to be based on the price, right, Frank? And I'll show you. So let's say that we move lower. Let's say we continue lower, but we get a fair value gap. And then we get that nice V and a close back above. Then yeah, we're going to take that. Nice V, 1 to 2 candles, rip right back through this gap with huge momentum. I'm going to take that all day, every day. But if we don't get that, then I'm probably going to just be leaning short for now. Looks like we left equal lows again at 862. Room, I get groceries for $100 all the time because I don't buy groceries. $100 just for milk. Overnight low 755. Isn't that low? I don't think it's that low, is it? That's the previous day, I think. Oh, I guess it is. Wait a second. Yeah, this is previous day low. 755. But yeah, that does look like sell side, right? It does. Chick-fil-A for sure. Oh, you have a craving for it? He's talking about Chick-fil-A. Grab the bear flag plus 400. Let's go, Tech T. What up, Pine Tree? Good luck to you, too. Yeah, I've already had Chick-fil-A this morning. I've already had it. Already had the CFA. I got up in time today to go get it, so... Yeah. Oh, yeah, they have breakfast, Trev. Yeah, they have chicken minis. If you've never had chicken minis, they're pretty fire. Fries? No, no. Little push through the lows there. Since when is making your own breakfast not nice? It's nice to make your own, Yoma. I'm just lazy. It's very nice to make your own. I'm just lazy. Jules said, what? You didn't get her chicken minis? Uh-oh. My bad, Jules. My bad. No chicken minis. That was a nervous chase. I think it actually probably goes lower here. You know, like... So let's see what happens here. Pushing back up here. ES did not make a new low. Nasdaq did. 60 ticks. Nice. That was a nice push through the low, wasn't it? Kind of the 5-minute break. It kind of had a little 5-minute breakout there for 10 points, but nothing crazy. It was very fast. Pushing back up. Let's see. 880 ES at the VWAP. Think I'm going to wait on buys after tapping the 825. Yeah, it could very well be. See what happens with the ES here. Currently at the VWAP. What's the consistency rule on Apex? 30%. I knew what you meant, Yoma. I can decipher your messed up words. We know what you meant. You should be able to, Room. I don't see a problem with that. It's 40% Fast Eddie on Bulenox. 40%. Good morning, Jan. We are just waiting. I think maybe a breakout lower. Oh, we do have news. News in 2 minutes, guys. News in 2 minutes. 40% means your largest winning day can't be more than 40% of your total profits. So if you make, if you're just going for 3,600 to get to pay out on a 50K account, you can't make more than 1,440 in a single day. And we're talking about minimums there. So in order to get to a minimum payout. So your balance is plus 1,600, 1K payout level, your max daily gain cannot exceed 480. Correct. For the minimums. The minimums. Yeah, there's not much we can do. Lassie, we just have to wait. We got the news here. 1 minute till, or actually 30 seconds until the news. Let's see what happens. I don't know if the 9:45 news is going to do much. The 8:30 news really was a dud. So I don't know if any of these news events today will actually do very much. We'll find out, obviously. The VWAP. The VWAP. All right, here we go. There's news. He is holding the VWAP for now. I don't know on XFA events with Topstep if there is a set amount of time. I'm not sure. I don't think there is on Topstep. I could be wrong. Yeah, we're gonna have a stream tomorrow, Yoma. It'll be a nice, fun stream. Nice, fun Thanksgiving stream for a couple hours. Crypto. I don't know. I think you can trade the news now on My Funded Futures. I think they had updated the rules to where you could do that. I think it's fine, right? Well, the ES is at the VWAP, so it looks like maybe it's a pop treff. Pop into the 96. Can we hit the whole number here? Yeah, no problem. Yoma will do that in a few minutes. The market's open tomorrow, Andy, until noon. It's open tomorrow and Friday, half day. It doesn't mean I'm trading anything other than an eval. We'll just kind of be having a good time. We'll just be having a good time. Probably on some evals. You guys will see some degenage. 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 Is that a word? Guys, 45% off Tradeify direct-to-funded accounts. They launched that yesterday. And they got up into the 65% on some of the other accounts. So check that out. Coupon code MM. Good morning, Shahid. Too many ifs. Yeah. So, if this, then that. Not yet, John. I think they're still stuck to the 10% on the milestones. I don't even think they have a discount on anything other than the milestones, but I could be wrong. All right. But yeah, I don't know yet. Yeah, Trev, that's what I do. Get a good entry, follow my rules. Yeah, makes sense. I don't know, Bob. I mean, it seems like an obvious time to do it, but they do have this new sale, the 80, well, the same sale they extended. They do have it ending tomorrow at midnight, so we'll have to pay attention. Maybe only Friday. We might only have Friday to pick it up. Who knows? Get news again in 10 o'clock, so 11 more minutes, 10 more minutes. Do we get a boner candle to the downside here? An elevator, if you will, down into the 20s. Do we get an elevator down into the 20s? Maybe. Yeah, we'll see what happens here, Lassie. We do got news here shortly. We did just enter the macro, so we'll see where we're at. We got the pump up. We did sweep. I mean, like, as far as the pump up goes, we did sweep this, and we tapped back into this imbalance. I mean, it's not great. 0.70. Uh-oh. 2 long tries. Yeah. I mean, I was in the trade of the day there. I don't know. My instinct was to move it to break even. Then my instinct was just to just lock in some. So that's what I did. Also, another reason I did do that is because I heard extra beeps. And so it did tag me into a long somewhere down in here. Or actually, when it took me out here, it tagged me into a long. I was able to close it out right away. All right, I think we're about to see an elevator here. About to see a little bit of an elevator candle. Back through the lows. I kind of want to take this, but I think I'm going to sit it out. I think we get a nice red elevator candle. Let's see if it goes. Out already, have the head and shoulders. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I think it's going to dump too, but looks like it's going to dump. We'll see. The almost obvious cover singles. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. And there it is. There's the spike through. I knew it was probably going to come, but just didn't want to. Pushing back lower here, 850s again. that, Maxie? We're going lower? Maxie says we're going lower, guys. All right, do what you want to do. There's your signal. He says we're going lower. I don't know. Just out of nowhere. He said lower. $250 from another. Yeah, patience, Lassie. If you don't get it today, I mean, it's always tomorrow. It's always next week. You know? Just kind of waiting, guys. There's not much to do yet. And this is what I was talking about, how it might be kind of an eval day. We'll see what happens with news. We'll see what happens with the news. Got the news in less than 5 minutes. Good morning, Trading Mints. Trading Mints, yeah, we took a trade right before open, just for $100. You can see my executions on the screen there. I moved the stop down to +5. If I'd left it break even, we would have got our full TP, but it's all good. Little hindsight. Little hindsight, if you will. You tried to short, but it was too scary. Yeah, I mean, if I would have stayed in, if I had just put my stop to break even, like I took risk off. There's nothing wrong with just taking risk off and just leaving stop at break even, and whatever happens, happens. That's what I should have did, but I didn't. So that's okay though, right? It's not that big a deal. So Savaga, good morning. Yeah, news in 3 minutes, so we're going to wait. It was a long, -400, then short, +450. Let's go. That's a good green, though. +50. Sounds like a win to me. Sounds like a W. +$50. So we're just waiting. We'll see what happens with the news here. Probably nothing. I don't know. Hard to know. So guys, I was going to do a stream on Friday, and and I was going to have a few people on, maybe. What do you guys think about that? Friday stream, have a few people on. It'll be an early stream, like 7 or 8 a.m. until maybe 11, because I am going to the Hawks Cavaliers game on Friday at 2 p.m. And then yeah, you know, so maybe like a Husk, maybe a Sabo, maybe a Yoma, that sort of thing. Took the sales off the 871 wick test. Nice job, River Rat. Let's go. Yeah, Tech T. I think it'll be eval only for sure. And I was considering, I don't know, I thought about having everybody on at one time, but it might get a little, I don't know. I'll probably break it up into like 1 hour slots for each person or something just for fun. So, and we will do giveaways on Friday. We're going to try to help Yoma, who's right there in the chat, grow his channel. So what we're going to do is much like we did with Husk, we'll do giveaways, but you have to be subscribed. We're going to do the giveaway through Yoma's channel. So you're going to have to be subscribed to his channel in order to enter the giveaway anyway. So there's the link. So you may as well subscribe now if you plan on joining us on Friday anyway. It will be rigged. It's rigged to help Yoma grow his channel. That's all. 915 level. It's a good level. But no, we won't do it in Discord, D. We might do a Discord live one day. The problem is, D, I did a Discord live one time before, and it was like 4 people in there. So I haven't done it since. I skipped the New York session and did it in Discord, and no one showed up. So, I mean, if people will show up in Discord live, we would do it that way, so that way you could speak. But all right, here we go. That's news. Push lower. You took off your buy, Amelia. Now we can start to look for something. This price action today might just overall suck, but we'll see. We're going to give it a chance. We are going to give it a chance. Are we just going down to the 750s? I mean, kind of looks like it, right? There's the 825 somebody called out. Who was that? Lassie? No, Amelia? I don't remember who that was. Treff, maybe? I don't know. Somebody. TP smashed River Rat. Let's go. All right, here we go. Bouncing out the pivot. Yeah, we did have a pivot there. It was a nice pivot bounce. Not much to say here, guys. Still got the 91% off on Bulenox. We got 80% off APEX. That's what they did. It does end tomorrow, so hopefully, I'm hoping the 90% will follow, but I'm not holding my breath. Not holding my breath. Anybody long right now? Do I jump in? I don't know. Part of me wants to jump in here. Yeah, 20-point stop here. I mean, I think a push into like the 60s makes sense. You work there, room? Perfect. Don't long below the red line. Yeah. You're short a gun trading minutes? That could be. Lassie short with break even in place. Maxie's barking. I don't know what that means. Does that mean we're selling again, Maxie? Are you saying short now? I think he said short now. Max said short now. Should I listen to that call out by Max? All right, I'm going to listen to it. I'm short. I'm short, Max. I'm only short because Max said so. And if Max is wrong, he sleeps outside tonight. He sleeps with the fishies. He's going to sleep with the fishes. Max, you are in trouble. You are going to be sleeping with the fishies, bud. Whatever that means. Stop to break even at 39, I think. If we get there. Max, this is horrible, bud. This is supposed to go fast when you bark, not slow. It's a mob term, yeah. Max said full port. He said short. I heard him in his voice. It was 2 barks, short. But of course, it's holding up now. As soon as Max barks, I enter, and then it holds up. Ooh, almost to my break even. 39 is going to be the break even. That'll be 5 points. Max, you dirty girl. All right, I'm out. Max, gosh, calls me a loss. Do I move it higher? All right. Yeah, it's been choppy, Coper. I only entered based on Max's call out, though. I only entered on his call out. Oh, I think this line right here is a little crooked. What do you guys think? Come on, Max. What are we doing here, bud? Dude, do I need to cover the loss or what? Cover the loss or hold? What's the deal? Don't get quiet now. Don't get quiet now. Black Beauty in the house. What up? Oh, I never doubted Max. Oh, we got stopped out. All right, we won. We made money. Oh, we're still in? Oh, we're still in. How do I close this? Close? How do you exit? How do you exit? We're still in. Oh, never mind. It just took our full take profit. Oh. Man, Max said, don't move the stop. Don't move the stop, bro. Don't move the stop, bro. Look at Max. $805. Max said, don't move the stop, bro. What's wrong with you? What up, Farrat? Man, I couldn't even get out right there. The close button wasn't working last week. It was on the wrong account. It was on the sim account, not the tick. Happy for Max there. Good luck. Good job, Max. Give me 5, bud. Give me 5. All right. Yeah. He said, leave me alone. Now I need a treat. Oh, Max with the win. Look at that call out. Yeah, Bertram, you need to get one, man. You got to get you one. Sungflung, it depends on, like, if the intraday trailing doesn't bother you, option 1's fine. If intraday trailing is something that's kind of detrimental to your trading, then go with the option 2. He gets his own turkey dinner. Yeah. He deserves a back rub. Yeah, Room, he does. Max didn't say to move the stop. Yeah, I know it. Oh. I didn't have any patience either, Lassie. Do I have a code for the 90%? Yeah, it's MM. Capital M, 91% actually, Sungflung. Every code for me is always MM unless it's Apex, it's Myth. And if it's like Replicanto, then it's Methodical 20. But yeah. Other than that, everything is just MM or Myth. Whew. Man, I should have took that on everything, Max. Why didn't you tell me, bro? You didn't tell me, bro. It was a train break, but it ended to be a long trap. Yeah, I was like looking. I was like, man, if we get above here, I was kind of like considering taking it off, but then I was like, nah. Let's move the stop to the moon, because you almost said move it as high as possible because he didn't want Max to sleep outside. So that's what I did. I don't know how I got stuck in that trade, though, but it did. It's fine. ES back down to the 26, which is support, right? Remember, Mancini called 26 as support. So I do like longs off Mancini's support levels. So if this can form a fair value gap here, then I think this will be a pretty decent long spot. You got relative equal highs up here at the 58s. Let's see. Right now it's a nice gap. Let's leave it open. So I like a nice V shape, like one candle back through here, maybe 2 at the most. Nice momentum, and we'll take that on the funded. If we can get nice momentum back through here. The only thing I don't love about it is the break even. Trade Oracle 2 in the house. Yes, Yoma, I have both charts open. Yeah, I think it probably continues down, Lassie. Oracle, how you doing this morning? Are you trading? I don't know if you're trading today. Are you trading today? I'm sure this big sell-off, you probably got in at some point. Well, we call it a big sell-off. What is it since open? 132 points. Respectable. What up, range? How's it going? I feel like this probably holds, but if we get a V-shaped off this area, I'm definitely going to take it. I mean, there's no real clear stop to break even. That's the only thing I don't like about it. It's the only thing I don't like about it. It looks like the previous day low is actually in play, but we'll see. We'll see how the ES reacts to this 26 area. Yeah, I'm thinking so too. AS is a chance. But right now, ES is moving below the 26, at least testing it. Let's see what happens here. Max said he already called out the 30 point trade of the day there. 44 point trade of the day called out by Max, live in real time. He said he don't know what to tell you if you didn't enter it. He has no idea what to tell you. He gave you plenty of time and opportunity to get in there. That's what he told me. Yoma, what's up with your stream? It's circling. Oh, is he back? Drumming like your pants during a hot date. Let's go. I thought you were going to say, I thought you were going to say dropping like your pants during Taco Bell. During Taco Bell for lunch. Taco Bell for dinner. All right, you're back, Yoma. Yoma disappeared for a moment. All right, not really the reaction that we were wanting. I do think if we lose 755, you have a restraining order at your Taco Bell? Keep you out of there? Now, if this happens, guys, if this happens and then this one, next candle closes above, I'm taking it. I almost think this holds, but we'll see what happens. V-shape incoming. Maybe AS. I don't mind the V-shape. ES at a key level here, 26. It went below. It swept the... did it sweep the low? It did not sweep the low. So we do have a bullish SMT here. Right now, we still have a bullish SMT. So I think if we close above with momentum, you know, one or two more candles, then we'll take it. So let's see what happens here. It doesn't look like this is not the momentum I wanted to see. I wanted it to be, you know, one or two candles. But yeah, I get what you're saying, Yoma. Yoma's saying if we get to the 755, it'll be better. That is true. But right now the ES has dipped below and held the 26. So just based on that, I like taking the longs off those key levels. That's the reason why I like this. But it probably does make sense. So we'll see what happens. Right now, I don't love the momentum here. This is not V-shaped to me. V-shaped is one or two candles back through there. So this is not looking V-shapey to me right now. What is a Cypriot Cypriot girlfriend. I don't know what that is. Somebody help me with that. He shorted 45. Oh, yeah, Judgy, I agree. I mean, this doesn't look that V-shapey. Like, I would like the candles to be bigger. Struggling. We shorted up here somewhere, D, on Max's call out. I think we shorted like around the 44. I think. What up, Nissim? An island in Europe. Oh. Does he have a girlfriend he's not telling me about? Went there, flirted with her a bit, asked her number. She had a boyfriend. Told her he is a lucky man, and I left. South of Greece. Man, I wish this had better momentum. Like, all these candles are green, but look at this. Equal highs at 818.75. That's funny. Classic Yoma. All right, we do have equal highs at the 818.75. Now let's see if we get some sort of model to go back to those. Right now we don't really have any reason to try to long back to those, but Nat Gas 363. I don't know. Yorin. That wick is the stop if long now. 148 for the 50K Sung Flung. 143 for the 25K. Yeah, looking bearish here. Yeah, you say $5. That's right, Yoma. Hey, $5, man. That's, you know, a few things. I'm long. Stop to break even at 807. 15-second inversion here. Very aggressive. We're giving it the old college try and see what happens. All right, looks like it's losing it. Should probably move the stop a little bit lower, but I don't think I'm going to. And stopped out. Gave it a try. That's all we can do. That's so dirty. So dirty. So dirty. We lose 90. I'm jumping back in on the loss of 90 there. I'm going to try to hold this till the 50s. I'm going to try to hold this down into the 50s if I can. Just going to hold my stop there at the 802s. See the ES hold below the 26 this time. What time is it? 10:30. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm going to go break even now. Actually, I don't want this thing to stop me out. Come on. Ah. What's in the chat? What's in the chat? What does it say? I don't know. Short covers. I'm not moving the stop this time. 56 or bust. All right, I'll lock some in now. It's going to hit the 50s. I know it's going to. One more push. Come on. Add. I just added. ES is at a pivot. Not quite yet. I got my pivot at 20 on the, or 19 on the ES. So I'm going to take this first one off at the 68, which is going to be 11 points. That'll put me in the green on the day on this account, and then I can move the other stop to break even if we can get there. There's 1030. So I'll move the other stop to break even once we break the 68s here. There we go. Oh. Stop to break even now. Now we're going to see what happens. So we took some profit there, closed $175 in profit. Oh, come on. Thing is, I know this is going to hit. Gosh, man, I know it's going to hit. I know it's going to hit. All right, I'm going to take this down to here now. Oh, you dirty girl. Yes, holding up there at the 22s. I don't like this push back up. Probably going to get stopped. Need one more push low here. Just one more push lower. If we can get below these wicks, I think that we can run quickly. But so far, it's just not doing it. Just waiting. Let's go. Nice job, Lassie. Come on, rip it lower here. Stop messing around. I'm not comfortable with where my stop is, to be honest, but there's not much I can do. I was short here, short here. I'm way short. I'm short way lower, so could just take it off and be up $300 or so. 175 or 300, those are the two options. Or hold it and maybe we're up 600 or 700. I'm gonna move the stop back up again. I know that's what it's gonna do. It's just come back up and get me. I'll risk. Oh, well, dang it got me. I didn't drop it fast enough. Oh. We're plus 90. What time's Friday? Probably going to be like 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. D. Let's see if we get a flush here. No. Oh, goodness. After all that, we're pretty much back where we were, like 175. What's Bitcoin looking like, Eddie? Oh, what up, Nissim? How do I recognize the response? I don't know. I mean, I know it's going here's the thing. It's like, it's going to 755. But how does it get there is the question, right? It's just... All right, I think I'm going to switch over to one account now. Yes, that was copy traded there, brother. That was copy trading, of course. That was 3 funded accounts there, guy. 3 funded accounts. All right, we took another trade over here on this account. Up $1,200. Let's go. Yeah, I know it's coming. I knew it was coming, and I should have just put it there. Let's go, Krishna. You the man. Look at there. Like, it's coming. The problem is, there's my original entry. Look at that. If I held through that drawdown there and just left that there, break even, we hit the target. So, complete mismanagement of those trades. But that's okay. It's okay. That's okay. But yeah, this is the accounts we were trading there. 176, 186, and 186. So pretty much right where we were after all that. We were up like 115, so we got a few dollars. So it is what it is. I'm okay with it though. Didn't manage it well, but that's all right. We'll see if we get a long out of here. Right now, the ES is not showing any longs. ES down to the 17s. 694 equal lows. All right. We got 17 on the ES. That's where we're at right now. And then... $26,100. So I just noticed we're only $500 away from payout on Bulenox. Wow. On 2 accounts. Let's go. Is that right? No, that's wrong. That's wrong. Wrong. We need $1,500. You're done for the day? Let's go. Nice job, Lassie. Why did I just get 1 mini and short from the start? Yeah, that's what happens fast, Eddie. It's easy to say in hindsight, right? In hindsight. Easy to say in hindsight. I mean, like, this thing could just rip lower. I did try that long earlier on that dirty 15-second chart. The dirty girl. And then we did, you may say like, oh, you just jumped in short here. Well, we actually didn't. The 15-second long failed. And so then we entered the short. Right? And that's what I was talking about, the fail, if you get a failed inversion. Where was Max says, I don't know, Fast Eddie. He's over there sleeping. He said he already gave you 1 call out. He can't do anything. You just covered your last night minus 2,500 on eval. Woo. Long here. I don't know if it's a horrible long, but you know me, I wait for confirmation. What up, Derek? If you caught a big win and you still trade to keep the ball rolling or just stop for the day, I stop for the day, Derek. I stop for the day. I switch to an eval. If I get like 250 to 400, then if I get like 250 to $400 per account, then I stop for the day and switch to an eval or switch to a different account. Guys, we got Yoma's channel pinned in the top of the chat there. If you guys want to jump over there and give him a quick subscribe, we're gonna be doing a giveaway on Friday, and you're gonna have to be subscribed to Yoma's account anyway to enter the giveaway. So you were the confirmation room. What up, Dave? But his channel's pinned in the top of the chat there. Let's see what happens here. Hey, Craig Loritzen. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Thanks, Trading Mints. You the man. Greg in the house. This is the retest of the initial balance as well. Do we take an initial balance trade here? I might take this. I'm going to turn the copier off. Bulenox copier. Stop. Let's try an initial balance trade here. Why not? I don't love that the ES is back above the IB. Stop go to break even at 5 points. We're just looking for 10 here. So 60 stop will go to break even. That's an okay reaction there. There we go. Break even. Well, we went break even. You private changed the rules, did they? You coached that move 30 IFG for long. Let's go trade him up. This is really good momentum here. $30 is already closed. Going against your confirmation? Yeah, on that one. All right, I'm long. I think I'm just going to go for... here. We do have equal highs all the way up there. All the way up there at 818. I don't know. Gonna watch here and see. 86 area. I'm watching the ES approaching the 26 though. This is already up 15 points. I'm just going to take the 15 points here. I just think that makes the most sense. I might just take the 10. We're approaching the macro here about 4 or 5 minutes. Come on, ribbit. Bull Bear, I like Apex, Bulenox, My Funded Futures, Take Private Trader, all the ones that I'm trading, Tradeify. So, dun, dun, dun. Good morning, Bull Bear. I'm tempted to add here. Very tempted. Room short. I wanted to add, but I'm not going to. Stop will be break even now, back above this. What platform does My Funded Futures use? I'm on Quantower. When you are trying to get one across to a paid account, how do you buy one eval, sell one eval at the same time? No, you can do it on the same. It's not against the rules, Bull Bear. So you can literally just have two charts up on the same platform and do it. So we're about to come into the macro here. These lower highs are a little spooky. Lower highs are a little spooky. And we're about to be stopped out. We got 45 seconds till the macro here. It's going good, Clarity. Going good. Trying to see if this thing will, I mean, because technically it doesn't stop out until we close below the 42, but I'm trying to give it room, but I don't love the way it looks. Smash the like button with My Funded Future on Quantower using DX Feed. Yes. DX feed is correct. Either way, Bull Bear, you can do it. You can do it with the same platform or not. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. All right, stopped out there. We're going to put in a higher low here. What are we going to do? Yeah, it didn't work, Trading Mints. I tried it. It didn't work. I mean, we were up quite a bit of points here. 14 points. I don't know. It never hit the internal, so that's the thing. It never hit the internal, so that's why I was trying to hold it, trying to follow the rules there. So lost like $600 on that trade, down $380 on that one account now. We are now in the macro. I'm going to try a little sweep of the low here since that did fail. Back below that lower wick, we'll put the stop in to break even. This will probably be the last trade that we take on this account. There's the close below, so technically that's really the stop out. Wow, as soon as we stopped out there, it just ripped back against us. It's just going to put a higher low, really. Stop me on the one there. So should I be worried about Take Profit Trader paying out? I heard they are not paying as fast. No, they're paying just fine, Bull Bear. I haven't heard that Take Profit Trader's not paying out at all. I haven't heard that at all, though. I'm going to kill this. That's not the reaction I wanted. We'll switch over to a different account now. Down $800 on that account now. Just didn't want to go. Did not want to go. Look like it's kind of putting in a higher low now. Let's see, 420. We got nice momentum through here. We'll take it. We still have those equal highs up here. Still have the equal highs up there as well. So it's going to go to there. It just, we don't know when. Oh, Bull Bear, he was saying that Take Profit Trader's not paying. I don't think I've ever heard 0 Day J say that. I don't know. Did he say that? This one gets paid? Oh. That's interesting. ES retesting the 17s here. Let's see. That's strange. I haven't heard of anyone not getting paid from Take Private Trader, though. I mean, not saying it's not true. Could be. Just very, very interesting. Private trade. He's never gotten paid because he keeps blowing accounts. Oh, yeah, that's probably right. My real name is Allen. 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 Still kind of holding this 1 minute trend line. Stan. All right, Stan. Nice to meet you there. Nice to meet you, Stan. Do we get a rip into the 60 here? I think so. What do we got? 60. Yeah, it's kind of that imbalance there. Yes, kind of approaching that pivot there, though. And the initial balance low as well. We're tapping that 21 EMA there. Just kind of pop through there. We should be able to get through the 60s there. Into the 60s. That's your last name, Bull Bear? Oh, interesting. It's a family name. It is a family name. My great grandfather's name was, or my great uncle's name was Alan. I have a completely family name. First name, last name, all of it's family name. Family, family, family. $10.58. $10.59. ES rejecting the initial balance low there. Your Allens came from North Carolina. They were Quakers for the men. Oh. It's actually funny. My ex-wife's mom's married name is Allen. Their last name's Allen. We get a 1 minute hold here. Yeah, it's bouncing off the 17 there. One minute trend line test again. Why does this stupid volume analysis thing keep popping up? It keeps popping up. I'm going to stab here long. Kind of above 50. I'm just going to go break even. 51 area. Yes, testing the 17 there. Ah, come on. Come on. Rip it. Rip it. All right, breaking the 1 minute trend here. Woof. Look at this go. Holy cow. You forgot to use the code. What? The Allens came over with William Penn. Interesting. Big dump. Well, big candle there. What was that? 35 points. I used the guarantee trend line, but I did not take it. I thought maybe we'd hold the guarantee trend line. We didn't. We'll see what happens. Just on the wrong side of it there. Dun, dun, dun. 38 failed on the third. How are we going to continue up now? No telling. Let's go, range. You demand. We could go down to 666. Well, potentially. Don't know if news trading is allowed on my funded futures. Yeah, you can do whatever you want, Philcos, on the evals for sure. You can do whatever you want. I'm just watching here, guys. Not much to do now. We lost on that one. We're break even on this account after being up 175, 185, whatever it was. Well, technically, we're down $17. We're down $800 on the other account after effing around and finding out, being up 14 points, not moving the stop, not taking anything. It's just one of those things. Let's see, though. Let's see. ES kind of holding below 17 for now. Yeah. Or are we going to rip back up here? Looking pretty good so far. Yeah, room. Pretty good customer service. Nice momentum there. Just waiting here. ES holding up there at the 16s. So kind of holding the 17s there on the ES. Let's see if it pops above it. Looks like it might. You can only, without buying it, you can copy across one prop firm. One prop firm. Yeah, just one prop firm. But if you buy the advanced settings, you can copy across as many as you want. All right, here we go. Here, are we going to close above or not? Yeah, looking for longs, but I don't know. It's looking, you know. So we'll see what happens here. We're just kind of waiting here to see if this thing closes above or not. So far, not doing it. ES rejecting the 17 there. We have equal highs above, so kind of hard to short here. All right, pushing lower here. See kind of what we get. Do we get one more leg down? Kind of looking that way at this point. Ripping lower there into the 96. There we go. Nice move lower there. Let's see if we get a big candle off this level. I don't know. The ES did not make a new low there. We shall see. We'll see what we get. All right, here we go. What up, Treff? How come you fall so far? Oh, it just does it. I figured out another reason why I lost some of the accounts was trailing stops. Oh. I mean, Mancini does say that we got to reclaim 26 to get the next leg up. So, I don't know. I see the 3 green soldiers. Let's see what we get on this push up here. Can we get through the equal highs or not? $20 points. Bull bear depends on the volatility. Typically just 10 points, but some setups need to be more. They have to be the top of a trend to be considered 3 green soldiers. I don't know. Why does this thing keep saying? I don't know why it keeps doing that. I mean, 20,800 would make sense, but at this point, I don't know. I mean, here's the thing. One of the things, you do have to consider at a certain point is like every short is paid. Not many longs, if any, have paid, right? I think all my failing trades have been on longs. Something to think about there. Candle talk is so sexy. You trade long even on short days. Yeah. That's kind of what I've done a couple times today. We've taken longs. I mean, to be fair, we were up 14 points on that one long, but how big's this 30-second short stop? It's not that big. It's like 6 points. All right, what the heck? I'm going to try it. May as well jump in on it. And we'll target... Yeah, we'll just target the low. 696. Right after saying every short is paid. Are we going to get wrecked on one right after saying that? I mean, you do have equal highs above, but it doesn't seem to matter, right? It hasn't seemed to matter today. I guess the ES did not take the low on that push down toe, though, either. Although I think it might. We'll see. Let's give it a moment and see. Trading against the trend because the trend should be my friend. Yeah. Now it sends a message laughing at me. Yeah, we're just going to let this play out. We'll see what happens. We have trended below 50 RSI negative delta, and P hasn't stayed in the 50 EMA more than a second. Yeah. The 50 is way up there, though. Yeah, we're just waiting to see what happens here. Probably just going to see a big red candle out of nowhere. That's what's been happening, right? Grind back up, big red candle. Grind back up, big red candle. All right, let's see if we can do it. Out of nowhere. That's not the red candle I was talking about. That's not the red candle we were asking for. I mean, you know, I only took that trade because I was like, every short is paid. And then it didn't. Yep. Any Black Friday deals? Not so far, Clarity. We got 45% off Trade of 5. That's basically it so far. We did close above the internal here. I don't know if I want to take it right there, though. I want to see this external one closed above 39. It probably still goes. Yeah, Amelia, nothing yet. I mean, like, I guess they're waiting for tomorrow, or maybe they're not going to have. I don't know. So. Price is really kind of getting snaky here. I have an LV. I don't know that I really have much of a desire to anyway. I'm going to wait for a little pullback here. I might jump in long. Let's see. It could just rip right through this trend line, though. We'll see what happens. Yes, room longs. Longs. I like to be punished. Leave a runner. There's a close below in the 1 minute. No close on the 30-second, though. Yeah, we need to hear something from Max. Come on, Max. What are we doing? Are we going long or short here? I don't know. I feel like it's just short here, so I think I'm going to take the long. We're going to do the opposite. What do you think about that? Just kidding. All right, I'm going to try this. Stop to break even there. Really? I mean, we hit the internal there. Even when we try to take our brains, yeah. Nice. See, I was thinking long here. See? Boom. All right, last trade for me right here. I'm back long. I'm going to look for this run up into these equal highs. I like this pushback up here. I think this makes a lot of sense. Kind of breaking above the previous candle's high here. So let's see if we can get a run higher. If not, then we'll be done for the day. We're really in a range here. Pretty tight range. And that's what price is doing today. It's just not doing what we expect it to do. So I think I'm going to end it there. We're going to end it there. There's no point in continue to press the button. We're just digging ourselves a hole that we don't need to dig. So we'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll go over right quick. We're down 964 on this account. We are down. We're green on these accounts. 110, 100, break even, 110, 40, and then we're up 3. What is it? 330 on that one account. That's it. We'll be back tomorrow. Advanced happy Thanksgiving. All right. Thank you, LV. You read on your evals today? Yeah, me too, Amelia. I'm red on my accounts, but it is what it is. A couple of the Bulenox accounts, but we'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. for a little short stream. We'll see you guys then. Thank you guys for watching.